Hey guys, welcome back to Installer's Assistant. My name's Marty and today I'm continuing on a 2009 Holden Commodore VE. This is the Omega wagon, but all the series ones are basically the same. I'm taking off the door card to show you how to get access to the speaker. Now this is going to be a bit quicker video than normal because I have recorded this already and my camera decided to pack it in, so I'll put it back together and show you how it works. But basically you need a Trusty 4140 pry tool, a pick tool, a Torx T20 and a Phillips screwdriver. So to start with, there's a little plastic panel in here which you will pick out with your pry tool, and behind that is your T20 Torx. Okay. Then you'll find two Phillips screws, one in here, one in here. There'll be a Phillips screw there, a Phillips screw there, a Phillips screw there, another one here, and another one here. Once you've done that, this whole thing will pop off with clips all the way around, and like with the rear door, it pops off towards you, like such. I do recommend keeping your knee at the bottom, giving a bit of pressure, because when this falls off, the whole door falls down. And then release our two door latches, and it's done. Okay, there's our 6-inch speaker with our factory adapter. This side's already been done, so as you can see I've got an Audison speaker in there with a adapter for it. The speakers I'm using is the Audison APK 165s, and the adapter is an AirPro APS 290F, because this is a 6.5-inch speaker and they come with a 6-inch speaker. So there you go guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the notifications, and I'll see you next time.